Let us see what is the report. They will not give a report of their own. No?
Because earlier the contract.
Actually, next.
Okay. 19th of March. Sorry, 21st of March. Senior System Mr. M.S. Sweta Kumari.
Yes, my lord, I am appearing on through the video conferencing, my lord.
Yes. Yes, we can hear you.
My lord, yesterday the Bpsc has filed the counter, my lord, counter affidavit.
Yes.
I have received the copy of the counter yesterday evening itself, my lord. So I'll file because the Bpsc have raised many contention with regard to that. I have to file many documents in support of that, my lord.
Learned counsel for the petitioner.
So I'll file the rejoinder, my lord.
So, all right. Learned counsel for the petitioner / trust. Seek some time to respond and file rejoinder affidavit in case so deemed necessary.
My lord, before parting, 2-3 submission I want to make, very important in this matter, my lord.
So file your rejoinder.
My lord,
there are.
My lord, before parting on other issue, my lord, few submissions I want to make, my lord, because after passing the order on last date, my lord, 21st of January 2025, because on that day I prayed for preserving the CCTV footage, because that evidence is very important. So I went before the Supreme Court, my lord, and the Supreme Court, the matter was listed on 7th of Feb 2025, my lord. In the counter, they have annexed the order, which is at page number 21, my lord. There the issue was basically to preserve the CCTV footage. And the Supreme Court has passed certain direction to this honorable court, my lord.
Full direction. There is no direction, my lord.
My lord, all the pleas and contention can be raised by the petitioner before the High Court in the pending writ petition, my lord. Because in the Supreme Court, I submitted that I have the apprehension that the CCTV footage will be destroyed and deleted. To this, the CJI, Honorable CJI has submitted that, make the observation that if the CCTV footage will be deleted and destroyed, strict legal action will be taken against them.
Just a minute, Mr. Counsel. When you make a statement on fact, be very careful. The order passed by the Supreme Court does not say anything, though we will take into account all such issues. But the order only says that we are not inclined to interfere with the impugn order. We, however, observe that all pleas and contentions can be raised before the High Court in the pending writ petition.
The contention was with regard to the preserving the CCTV footage, my lord, which I raised before the Supreme Court, my lord.
An interview was given to ANI that
my lord, what is wrong in preserving the CCTV footage?
Just a minute. Mr. Lalit is speaking simultaneously. We can't hear it. Yes. What will you say?
My lord, what is wrong in preserving the CCTV footage, my lord?
It doesn't mean that you are appearing virtually. You will start speaking simultaneously. We can't hear even. We can't understand. Let the counsel for the commission speak, and thereafter you will respond.
My lord, I thought that I have to speak. That's why I submitted, my lord.
Yes.
On 21st of December, my lords adjourned the matter in order to enable the commission to file its response.
That's right.
Now that order was assailed before the Honorable Apex Court. Lords, by the next order, which in the counter, my lord already gone there. The Honorable Apex Court didn't interfere with the orders and said that entire matter, everything will be taken up before the Honorable Patna High Court. Now, immediately after dismissal of this SLP, outside the courtroom of the Apex Court, the counsel for the petitioner gave an interview to a national channel, ANI, that the Apex Court has observed that if the all the officers of the Bpsc and the state government will be handcuffed if they interfere with the order, any documents, any temple. Lords, what was
that submission is wrong submission, my lord. That submission is wrong submission. I'm again on the same issue, my lord. The Supreme Court, the CJI has observed that if the CCTV footage will be deleted, strict legal action will be taken. I'm again on that point, my lord. Everything does not come in the order, my lord. On the 7th of January 2025, my lord, when firstly I approached the Supreme Court, while filing the PIL, my lord, the Supreme Court, the CJI has made many observations. That has also not come in the order. It doesn't mean that the Supreme Court has not made the observation, my lord. And the Bpsc is personally attacking on me, my lord, as if I have committed grave crime while raising this public issue, my lord.
We will advise you not to get so excited about your issues. We are deciding it. We are in CC. No, the matter.
My lord, they are attacking personally on me, my lord. That is not acceptable in law, my lord. I'm a court officer. I deserve the respect from the court and the bar also, my lord.
Yeah, simultaneously we all.
All right. Take up.
My lord, kindly pass order for the preserving the CCTV footage, my lord. That will be beneficial for me as well as Bpsc also, my lord.
All right.
And there is no wrong in preserving the CCTV footage, my lord, because already 2 months have passed.
Order. Allow the court to write the order. Okay. Pursuant to the order passed on 21/1/2025, the Bpsc has filed a detailed counter affidavit, which has been served upon the counsel for the petitioner only a short while ago. The petitioner wishes to go through the same and respond by filing rejoinder affidavit. Let that be done within a period of 2 weeks positively, with a copy in advance to the counsel for the Bpsc. In the meantime, to be on the safer side, we direct that the CCTV footage of the places be retained and not be retained, preserved and not destroyed under any circumstance.
My lord, I need only 1 week time to file the rejoinder, my lord, because this matter is a very serious, my lord. My lord, very high officials are involved in this paper leak, my lord. All the evidences will be destroyed, my lord. I need only, since I am in Delhi, my lord, I need only 1 week time, my lord.
Without there being an order that
That means you don't destroy it, whatever is there. Otherwise also, you have to keep it preserved. So where is the question of shying away? You preserve it. Don't destroy. You
No, but
make a
not
statement.
that. Yes.
My lord, to all the examination center, my lord, kindly specified, my lord, the order, my lord.
It should not go in Lord's in.
No, nothing. We are hearing the matter be restored.
Lords, if we are questioning is
Locus we will hear.
Yeah. So, and maintainability
The
of this
difficulty
power.
here, Mr. Lalit Kishore and Mr. Advocate General, the difficulty here is this. Now that the matter has been remitted by the Supreme Court, and Supreme Court says that
My lordships, there are.
we'll hear it together, including the locus.
My lordships, kindly see.
Yes.
My lord,
There
I
are
am satisfied the locus, what locus are. My lord, basically, this is not the service matter. I am not challenging the recruitment process. If I would have challenged the recruitment process, that would have come in the service matter, my lord.
Whoever you are, Mr. Counsel, I don't know your name, but whoever you are, that is not the way in which you argue. You are appearing virtually, but you are virtually making this court look like a fish market.
My lord, I thought that I should submit because the AG has already submitted, my lord.
All right. So we have heard you, we are hearing you. You start shouting from there. It is difficult for us to contain you. That's not the way we hear arguments. We have taken note of your argument. We have also taken note of their objection to your locus. We agree. We say that the locus issue will be decided on the next date. You file your rejoinder affidavit. We shall look into everything.
Obliged.
The learned Advocate General, as also the learned Senior Advocate appearing for the Bpsc, have challenged the locus standi of the petitioner trust to file such a petition.
And the maintainability of this.
And the maintainability of locus as well as the maintainability of the writ petition. All these issues shall be decided on the next day.
There is one more aspect.
Re-notify on when do you want it?
My lord, can it be on 21st of this month, my lord?
Sorry, 21st.
27th, my lord.
Next week.
27th, my lord.
27th, all right.
My lordships,
28th.
my lords, I have to make two submissions.
Yes.
The applicants who are supposedly aggrieved, they are before this court in writ petitions. Which writ petitions have been heard?
We will.
Kindly, 1 minute.
We know you had argued that on the
Yes, there are four writ petitions. They have been heard, and my lords, the state and Bpsc has been directed to file counter.
to file it here also.
The counter writ has been filed.
That's right.
No, so far as state is concerned, the state has
We will
practically
consider
no.
on that day whether we take all these writ petitions, have the records.
What I am submitting is, that my lord, this PI and those writ petitions parallel hearing.
No, it will not be parallel. On that day, we will decide whether to club it or whether to go ahead with this petition. We'll decide.
Then my lordships, this order of preserving, let that.
This is otherwise also.
No, my lordship, what I am submitting, let there be no direction. On the other hand, Bpsc will preserve it. My lords will say that.
We will say that.
Yes.
We will reframe our order.
Yes.
It is expected. In response to what has been stated by the learned counsel for the petitioner/trust. The Bpsc has responded that it always retains the CCTV footage, especially when such allegations are raised.
Yes.
Re-notify on 27.
But so I have given my appearance for CBI. CBI has been added as a party.
Obliged, my lord.
All right.
Civil 17, Mr. Chandan Kumar, District.